Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can access your task manager tab, right? How you can access it, and then like you can access it, maybe your laptop is slowing down, so you can access your task manager to see how many apps are running or how your computer is running, right? So to do that, just right click on your taskbar right here, and then you can open up, you can click on task manager, right? And then that will open it up. Now you can see how your PC is performing. All the apps that are running on your PC, you can see them right here, right? You can see all your process, how your processor is doing. So yeah, that's just how the quickest way you can access your task manager. It's very simple. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Now if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing, and I hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. See you again in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.